Okay, you was on chocolate. You was on chocolate. Okay, guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to the video. So today what we're doing is beat my sister up. We're gonna beat my sister up, y'all. Just kidding. I'm not gonna beat my sister up. Instead, we're going to. Sorry, I just had that moon in my face. Well, today we are going to make a paper squishy. Okay. We're making a paper squishy because I kind of been like a long time that I like made something and like with you guys, so yeah. And I made this list of like the things I made and how they cost. So, yeah. So I'm thinking we gotta make something else, okay? I'm thinking like food because I'm a big bag, you know, like, or makeup or skincare, like, yeah. So like I'm going to make one of those things, like, I don't know if you guys know, but I made a makeup. There's this one, look at it. I did make a makeup. Yes, I found it, okay. Gosh, I did make a makeup. It's the Drunk Elephant Bronzy Drops. It's like, isn't it like the fabulous, like, bro, I like try my best, okay? And I basically wrote everything on it, like literally Drunk Elephant, D Bronzy, Anti-Pollution, Sunny Drops, whatever, I don't know how to even say that, Cocoa Texture, Peptides, okay? Just like, yeah, I don't know how to say this word, so yeah. Okay, just yeah. I just bought it. It's so cute. It's so cute when I framed it. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. I was getting baptized. So this is my brother and we were in it. And this was my brother. He was like so small. I mean, he was like a teenager. And this is my mommy, she's so cutie, so cute. And this is my sister, my big sister. And this is my dad. He looking good, he looking cute. And look at me, oh, I look so cute. So cutie, so cute. Oh, I look so cute, y'all. That's me. This is me so cute. I look so cute, I know. I like it. I look cute. Anyways, I was thinking I kind of do want to like make paper squishies a lot now because I'm just like in the mood to. So I think we should do it to skincare because if I don't like, I didn't make a skincare ever paper squishy. So let's make a skincare one. Let's do it. Wait, how did they do it? Like one person did this in the video. I think that's how you do it, but I don't know. So, I don't know what to make. So let me look in another phone to see some ideas, okay? I bought a perfect thing. It's a cleanser and it's of Sailor's Matter. If you guys know, Sailor's made Sincerely Yours cleanser and like other stuff, mist, moisturizer, sunscreen. I'm like so excited. I really want to buy it for like, bro, I'm trying to save money right now. So like, I literally only have like, I only have like, let me just think this. I only have $8, so I need to save money so I can buy Sincerely Yours. And my dad had to take me to that shop, or my brother probably. I don't know, okay? I don't know, but I want to buy it so bad, so I'm gonna make it. You guys already know, we're gonna make this Sincerely Yours cleanser. I'm low-key excited. I'm so excited. Salish, I literally love you so much. I want to be in your video, but I can't because you're all the way so far from here, because I live in Georgia, which is Atlanta basically, and I'm like so far away from you. But I know one person who's close to me. Her name is Noah Star. I actually like you, Nova Star, if you're watching this video. I love you, just like every single YouTuber I love. And I think she lives in Atlanta. I don't know, because her birthday party was yesterday, I think. I don't know. Forgot. She said Atlanta, Georgia. So I think she lives there. I think she lives in Atlanta, but I do not know. But if you're watching this, Nova Star, please, I commented on your video if you can come to Covington Square, and I will literally be there. Like, girl, I will be. Like, girl, I will be there. Okay, listen to me. If you come to Covington Square, I will be there. Here, like, literally. I'm not joking. I just started to make it, so you will be needing newspaper. Obviously, paper. It's called paper. Squishy. Literally, the first letter is paper. So you obviously need some paper. So I got paper. And then, okay, then you need a pencil. Then you need some colors. And you will need some, obviously, tape. Then some scissors, I don't know. Okay. That's all you need, I think. Oh, and one important thing that you always literally need to do: have fun. Obviously. Oh, this is like a spare phone that my family has. So we're just gonna use this for inspiration. This key stuff here, I think. Here, well, this is a spare phone, so I'm gonna look in this, and it's not iPhone, y'all. It's Android, I think, or I don't know. I look, you don't even care. And I don't even care if it's an iPhone or not, because they're phone and they're like the same thing, y'all. Like, what's the difference from iPhones or phones? So I'm going on Google. Let's type photos of Sincerely Yours skincare. Perfect. They gave me. Look at Salish, bro. Salish is so pretty. Salish, you're so pretty. I mean, sorry, I'm not Salish, like, not trying to, like, you know, blackmail you or something. No, absolutely not. So this is her products. I told you the moisturizer, the cleanser, the sunscreen, and face mist. Bro, the face mist looks so cute, bro. I wish I could buy a product like right this second, like ASAP. Okay. Yeah, okay, well, that's enough, okay. So let me look in like a picture that's like so close. Like, so I can see the words, because I kind of do need to see the words. And yeah, I need glasses. Okay, found it. I found it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is fold your paper. bro. Bold. And make sure it's kind of even, you know, because like you don't have to make sure it's that even, but like make sure it's like mid even, because because I never make it even, because I never can see, like that's not even, bro. Look at that. That's not even. Okay. Now get your pencil. And comment down in the box if you guys want me to make another Labubu. Because they're people are thinking, like, people are trying to make those Labubus trendy again. When I don't even want them to get trendy, but it's not my decision. It's your decision if you guys watch, like, the Labubu videos so they get trendy. Like, no, it's not my decision. Not mine. It's you guys' decisions if you're watching this video. Okay, so I fold the paper. Now, like, there's like different types of items, but I'm drawing the cleanser. So the cleanser looks like in a Pacific way. So it's like a little tube like that. See that purple one? So I'm gonna try and draw it like that. But like, I see the cap. The cap. Look at the cap, guys. Wait, so I just take this off. If you guys can see, there's a cap right there. So I'm gonna put like the cap on instead of like showing the pump, because I don't really want to like, I don't know how really how to draw the pump like that. So I'm gonna put the top on it. So yeah, if you get it, you get it. Okay. So let me just draw that real quick. Just draw that. I'll be right back. Hi guys, this is what you call not professional. Okay, like. Oh, yeah, look at that. I messed up, so I flipped it over and just did it on the side without sketching. Because I was trying to sketch, but I keep on messing it up, so I just flipped it over and just didn't sketch at all. Okay, so now I'm gonna like write the words. So let me just zoom in. Like, see those kindly, clean, sincerely, or like off those words. So let me just write that. Okay, just write that real quick, okay? Wrote the words, bro. I even like wrote like the other key details, like 100 ml hydrating cleanser, netto hydrated. Like I literally did. So yeah. Now let's color it. I hate the cut part. I hate coloring, bro. I hate coloring, but I have to do it, bro. For a purple, and I don't see any purple, so I just have to get the big pig, which I don't even want to because I'm too tired to put it back up. Okay, bro. Okay, where is your big pig? Bro, I don't know where it's at. Let me look for it. That bad, stupid, because look, guys, this stuff was literally like right here, okay? It was right here, and I didn't even notice when I looked like, oh, I found it now, bro. Oh my god, bro, I'm crazy, bro. I'm crazy. Okay. Let's find the perfect purple that matches the Sincerely Yours. She had like, the top was like a little light purple, like one of kind of like this, and like this. So like I'm looking for like the lightest purple or this. Bro, why do I not have any light purple? We probably might have to like smooth on these because these are like the only light purple I can see in here. Look at this one. Tell me which is the light color. But I don't see any. They're all just dark. Yeah, we probably have to just use one of these. This is not good. Not good. I'll put it right there. Not good. Okay. I don't know which one to use, bro. I do not know which one. My sketch pens mostly doesn't have any color. So that's the sketch pen's color. Okay. That's a sketch pen, okay. And let's see the color pencil. That is a color pencil's color. I think I made my choice maybe already. Let's just see, okay? One sec. Bruh. Change the password in every single second. It's annoying me. Bro, tell me who hates putting their password in when they like literally just put the password like 10 seconds ago and they're off now. And they're saying, you can't even get password. Bro, nobody wants to do that. Nobody wants to do that. Okay, so this is the color, okay? Which one was so close? This the color pencil one, or the sketch pen one? Yeah. If one of you guys are watching in Color Bride, sorry, like not calling you out of your colorblind, but I think this one most definitely. Yeah, we're not doing that. No. So let me just color mine, then I'll be right back. All I could do because that's the only thing that this does, bro. This is the worst. Okay. Looks like we're just gonna deal with it, okay? We're gonna deal with it, okay? Yeah. Okay. Next step, cut it out. Where's my stuff? Okay. Scissors. No, I'm not putting my hand in my booger. No. In my nose. My nose always itches, bro. And guys, I have very dry hair. So my dry hair always gets tangled up. And I never have oil in this thing. Ouch. I hate this, bro. That's why you guys always see me in ponytails. That's the only thing I like. But that's the only thing that makes my hair tangled up, bro. And leaving my hair out, oh, that just makes it even worse. I suck at cutting, bro. That looks like a toy. We said it's a toy, bro. Okay. I was watching Lala TV today. I was like, crazy what she said. Sit down. Lala TV, like, girl, you gotta chill down, girl. Girl, you need to chill down. When she said, like, sit down. Girl, I was bursting out of laugh, like, literally bursting out. Okay, now let's tapey. Got some scotch. For a second, I thought Salish, but it is our Mother Mary, I think. That does not look like Mother Mary. Not trying to be rude, but that does not look like Mother Mary for a sec. But okay. Bro, what does it say? Okay, final. My nail, bro. You want that shit? Take. Perfect, that's enough. We're just gonna like the paint we colored. Actually, get the plate of it, guys. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. I forgot. My brain just left out of me. My brain just went to get a coffee bag. My brain just left me, bro. My brain just left me. I don't know what I just did. I don't know what I just tell Ranty. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, let's cut it the extra excess off the tape. Fudge cake. I got fudge cake. I got fudge cake. Yo, I got fudge cake. Yo, I got fudge cake. Yeah, I got fudge cake. I got fudge cake. Why did I look like that? What? I got fudge cake. Okay. I'm gonna come back when I'm taping, okay? Okay, okay. I'm done taping all, but I left one part open because we're gonna have to like put something in there to squish it. So yeah. I'm just gonna put my voice in there. So I can make space, okay. So now look at that in there. Now let's put like, I'm gonna put tissue on the base. That's like the all that I use most of the time. So let me just go get tissue. Tissue, I'm sorry. Got a little distracted, okay? Just. So good. Coca-Cola, I feel it now. I feel that creamy. Cheers, Coca-Cola. You really went out on your flavor. Okay. Anyways, let's make this squishy. I think I got a little bit, a lot maybe. Although, let's tear that up first. Actually, I'm not done. Like that. Put this up there. Okay, yeah, this is like, I put like not 3 pieces of tissue, but like 3 little balls, I guess. 3 little balls of tissue, like this, basically. Okay. That looks good now. Now let's tape the bottom, then it will be ready, basically. Are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Okay, Salish matter. I may present you. Oh wait, guys, 1 sec. 1 second, Salish shades. Salish. One sec, y'all. 1 sec. Sorry, Salish. Or you guys, my feelings. Bruh. I'm Salish. I'm gonna present you your dupe cleanser. I made your dupe cleanser, so I hope it's cute, bro. So I actually like it. It's cute, right? Right. Hey guys, we have Seasonally Yours cleanser. See, I just duped your comment, didn't I? Sorry, Salish. Let's add it to the list. Sincerely yours, cleanser. And guys, it costs 75 cents. 75 cents. Perfect. Hey guys, so I'm at Sephora and I'm gonna show you guys a haul that I bought from Sephora. Literally, these items are like so good, and I'm literally gonna go to Sephora again more. So stay tuned, and like I might even buy like the same thing over again because I keep on running out, and they're literally like so good. Like so, let me show you guys the haul. Sephora. Literally, I'm so happy that I got Sephora. Like, bro, Sephora is such a good store for makeup. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Oh my gosh, the last night I was so excited, bro. I got some bronzy drops. I got 2 items because I got 2 good grades. But I actually got 3 A's and 1 B. Like, I don't know why mom freaked out for that, but my mom got me 2 things. But next time we go there, we're gonna get like 4 things. Like, I want some Halo Glow. I want some concealer. And I do want contour, but my mom's not letting me. But I do want some primer and some setting spray, you know, like, mom, I want it. So, yeah. So annoying, you know. Okay, so I got some bronzy drops. I literally love these. So like, next time we go there, I better get the things I want, mom. So I want like next time we go there, I want concealer, contour, primer, setting set. Elf Halo Glow and Elf Bronzy Drops and toner and obviously the thing I have in my bag, which is a cleanser. So I want like 9 things, mom, so buy me 9 things. Okay, so I got my bronzy drops. So I'll open it when like I'm done, okay? Next item, one item. I got Sincerely Yours skincare. I love Sincerely, but they ran out, and I only got this cleanser. But I wanted their mist. Oh my gosh! But at least I got Sincerely Yours. And the cap is so cute. I'll open this after the video too. Looks so cute, you guys. Okay, this is Yo Swifties, and this is it for our video, and thanks for watching, and bye.